Looking to manage your GEICO insurance anytime, anywhere? Creating an online account is quick, and I'll walk you through every step so you're set up in just a few minutes. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type geico.com and head over to the official GEICO website. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click on the Login option. On the login page, you'll see an option labeled Activate Account. Go ahead and select that. Now it's time to verify your identity. You'll be asked to enter your policy number. You can choose between auto or motorcycle policy number or property policy number type in the correct number based on your policy. After that, enter the policyholder's date of birth and your mailing ZIP code. When all three fields are filled out, click the Continue button. You'll be taken to the next step where you'll need to provide a few personal details to complete your setup. Just follow the prompts and enter the requested information carefully. Once everything is confirmed, GEICO will create your online profile and give you your new username and password. That's it. Your GEICO online account is now ready, and you'll be able to log in anytime to view policies, make payments, update information, and more. If this guide helped you set up your account, stick around for more easy tech and account tutorials. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss a helpful walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.